Assalamu alaikum students, hope all of you are fine and happy. Today we will discuss chapter number 3 of computer class 10th, and my previous lecture is uploaded on the YouTube my channel. You can find it from there because to upload my previous lecture there was some mistake that checkbox is not selected to view subscribers, so it will not show on your subscribers or recommendation, right? So you can view my chapter 3 lecture 1 on my channel, Amna's channel. You can search from there. In previous lecture we have discussed about input and output functions. Output function is printf function, input function is scanf function. Output function is used to print text constants, values, whatever the output is used to print that value. And scanf function is used to get values to the variables during the execution of the program. Then statement terminators, format specifiers was discussed in the previous lecture, and we have discussed that program in the previous lecture. You can see enter first number, second number, calculate sum and print output of sum, right? We have used printf function, scanf function in this program, and assignment operator. C is equal to A plus B is assignment operator, and plus operator, right? Now in this chapter, in this lecture, we will discuss about operators of C language. There are 5 operators in C language. First of all, think about what is operators. Operators are the symbols which are used to operate on data or values, right? And operators are used in expressions. Expression consists of constant and variables combined together with the operators. Operator is a symbol used to command the computer to perform a certain mathematical or logical operations, right? Operators are used to operate on data and variables. There are 5 types of operators: arithmetic operators, assignment operators, relational operators, logical operators, and increment and decrement operators. In this lecture, we will discuss arithmetic operators and assignment operators in detail. Next lecture will be related on relational operators, logical operators, and increment and decrement operators in detail. Clear? Now, arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are plus, minus, multiplication, division, and percentage. These are familiar. You are familiar with these operators. Clear? These are very simple mathematical operators. Now you can see in the program, this is consist of plus operator. Calculation is performed by using plus operator. You know about it, right? Look at the program first. Printf /n/t/n and /t are escape operators. /n is used for next line. /t for tab मीन्स कि 8 कैरेक्टर की स्पेस देगा. उसके बाद इंटीजर ए बी सी है. ए पी जो वेरिएबल्स हैं, ये वैल्यूज स्कैनफ फंक्शन के थ्रू यूज़र से वैल्यू लेगा. इट इज यूज टू स्कैनफ फंक्शन इज यूज टू गेट वैल्यूज फ्रॉम द यूज़र, राइट. नेक्स्ट आप देखिए इंटीजर ए बी सी के बाद प्रिंट एफ है. एंटर द फर्स्ट नंबर, स्कैन एफ, परसेंटेज डी, फॉर्मेट स्पेसिफायर. फॉर्मेट स्पेसिफायर मीन्स कि किस फॉर्मेट का डेटा है, वेरिएबल है जो आप जिसकी वैल्यू लेंगे, तो उसी टाइप की जो वैल्यू है वो इनपुट होगी, ठीक है. स्कैन एफ में परसेंटेज डी इंटीजर टाइप के लिए, इसमें हम इंटीजर वैल्यू देंगे, फ्लोटिंग वैल्यू नहीं, मीन्स कि पॉइंट की नहीं, होल नंबर वैल्यू देंगे. नेक्स्ट प्रिंट एफ एज इट इज स्टार्ट्स वो एंटर किए हुए प्रिंट होंगे. प्रिंट एफ एंटर द सेकेंड नंबर, स्कैन एफ प्रिंट एफ सेकेंड नंबर, C is equal to A plus B, printf, and next sum. The sum is percentage D. परसेंटेज D की जगह जो C की वैल्यू है वो प्रिंट हो जाएगी. क्लियर? No error. Now we will run that program. First value 78, second value 67. Now sum is 145. Clear? Now assignment operator is simply equal, which is you can see in the program. Now you can see here assignment operators are used to assign values to variable, like a is equal to b, sorry, a is equal to 6, b is equal to 10, like this, used in the program. Now relational operators are equals to, not equal to, less than, greater than, and less than, equal to, greater than, equal to. Logical operators are and operator, or operator, and not. इंक्रीमेंट एंड डिक्रीमेंट, प्लस प्लस से एक वैल्यू इंक्रीज होगी, डिक्रीमेंट से एक वैल्यू माइनस होगी. It's all about operators. Now in detail we will discuss all the operators. Thank you and have a nice day.